2 friendly aircraft now on station, and up to 4 potentially hostile aircraft to the east and northeast.
As part of Talisman Sabre in the Northern Territory, the mission that we flew today was maritime air defence in support of the Royal Australian Navy and the US Navy.
The serials that we've been conducting, surface warfare exercises.
330, engage!
Testing our ability to detect, track and engage opposed targets. Air warfare exercises involving the Royal Australian Air Force Classic and Super Hornets, as well as navigation training exercises such as RAS approaches and off-the-watch manoeuvres.
From this kind of flying, we get a taste of integrating with the Navy. Defensive counter-air is one of the core roles of the F-18. Integrating with the Navy is another step in making us effective as an integrated fighting force.
060 and 10 are F-18s.
Working with the US military is obviously a fantastic opportunity. They're obviously a very professional organisation. Interoperability, integration, coalition warfighting is obviously the way of the future, and so it's always a wonderful opportunity when we get to practice these with our American counterparts.